Read at home. Looking After Gran. Series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brichta. The family was going away. Look after Floppy, said Dad. Gran liked looking after Floppy. She took him for lots of walks. She threw sticks for him to chase and balls for him to catch. Gran had a motorbike. It was bright red. Jump in, Floppy, said Gran. Gran put on her crash helmet. Where are we going? Thought Floppy. Soon, they were zooming into town. Isn't this fun? Said Gran. Not for me, thought Floppy. At last, Gran stopped. She parked the motorbike on the sand. Stay here, Floppy, said Gran. Look after the motorbike. I'm going shopping. Gran was away for a long time. The tide started to come in. A wave splashed the front wheel. Then a wave splashed the back wheel. Gran has parked too close to the sea, thought Floppy. I must find Gran, thought Floppy. He ran into the town as fast as he could. Sniff, sniff, went Floppy. He could tell where Gran had been. She had been in the butcher's shop. Yum, bones, thought Floppy. Get out, yelled the butcher. No dogs in here. Floppy ran back into the street. I must find Gran, he thought. Sniff, sniff, went Floppy. Gran had been in the bread shop. Get out, yelled the baker. No dogs in here. Floppy ran back into the street. I must find Gran, he thought. Then Floppy saw Gran. She was in the hat shop. Floppy ran in and barked. Get out, said the lady. No dogs in here. Come on, Gran, thought Floppy. Floppy ran out of the shop. Gran ran after him. Come back, called the lady. You haven't paid for that hat. Floppy ran back to the beach. Gran puffed after him. Oh no, my motorbike, shouted Gran. She ran into the sea and pushed her motorbike out. Well done, Floppy, said Gran. You saved my motorbike. Gran spoke to Mom. I'm not looking after Floppy, she said. He's looking after me. Spot the difference. Find the 10-0 differences on the motorbikes. Like, share and subscribe to Arso Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon.